This project is sponsored by NASA to generate a freezer for long-range spaceflight. The main challenge to conduct refrigeration systems in space are related to gravity.
Many people don't know that in their refrigerator at home there are both a liquid and a vapor. With gravity, the liquid will be probably at the bottom and the vapor will be up on top, which is not the case in zero gravity. Nowhere on the ground can you find microgravity to run an experiment. But we can change the direction of gravity by changing the orientation of the cycle.
If we can prove in an Earth environment that gravity has no impact on the cycle by basically operating the cycle upside down and right side up, the assumption is that it should also work when there's zero gravity.
The airplane follows a parabolic flight profile. And at the peak of this parabola, the researchers get some 15 to 20 seconds of microgravity. We'll have a very short time to conduct our experiments, so we need to be prepared extremely well. This might be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for me, and I basically can't wait to actually board the airplane and do that.
During the last 2 years of this project, we have made tremendous strides in moving the technology forward. If the parabolic flights check out as we imagine they will, and prove our system is working well in microgravity, we're just a couple years away of having a refrigerator for spaceflight. We're excited to provide the refrigerator for that flight. I think we have all the tools in place to do so.